Good evening to one and all. In the previous lecture series, we have discussed about the different types of manufacturing process. Some of them are, we have discussed about shaping machines and what are the various different types of shaping machine and what are the various different types of parts which can be manufactured with the help of the shaping machine. And then we have discussed about the planing machine and its type and also the various different types of parts which can be explained with the help of the planing machine, and then the slaughter machine also. And also we have discussed about the major difference between shaping machine, planing machine and the slotting machine. In this lecture series, we will discuss about broaching machine. Before discussion of the broaching machine, we first need to understand what is broach and the broach tool. The figure clearly determines the broach tool, and this portion is the shank portion. This is fitted with the portion, and this is the roughing teeth, and this is the semi-finishing teeth of the broach tool, and this is the finishing teeth of the broach tool. And this figure indicates that there are about different types of broach available. It can be of round type and square type broach available, rectangular type broach available, hexagonal type. If we want to make a keyway with the help of the broach, we can also make it, and also we can make the double keyway, and also we can make the spline-like surfaces with the help of different types of broaches. Some of the typical examples, these are all some of the internal broaching profiles we can produce, and also we can produce external broaching surface broaching profiles also as shown in the figure. First, what is broaching? Broaching is the machining operation in which a tool used is called as broach, having series of cutting teeth. In this type of operation, broach is either pulled or pushed with the help of broaching machine on the workpiece surface. Parts that is produced by the broaching has very good surface finish and higher dimensional accuracy. Next, this is the broach tool. Majorly the broach tool consists of three sets of cutting teeth. They are roughing teeth, semi-finishing teeth and finishing teeth. While we look into the diagram, we will clearly show that from this portion to this portion it is roughing teeth, and then this is the semi-finishing teeth, and the next portion is the finishing teeth. Next, we will discuss about the principle of broaching. When the broach is fed in a straight line, metal is cut in several successive layers with the help of the broach. The thickness of each layer is same and called as feed per tooth, and sum of the thickness of all the layers is called as depth of cut. First one is the push type broach in use for machining an external surface. Second diagram indicates the pull type broach in use for machining an internal surface. First one is the push type. Here we want to push the broach tool. Second image is the pull type. There we need to pull the broach tool. That is the major difference between first diagram and second diagram. Next, there are about different types of broaching machines which are used in the industries. Some of them are horizontal broaching machine, vertical pull type broaching machine, continuous broaching machine, rotary table broaching machine, surface broaching machine, and the last one is the keyway broaching machine. We will discuss one by one in the next video lecture series. Next, we will discuss about the advantages of broaching. The broach tool has a longer life than other types of tools like grinding or some other tools, machining operations. Next, the broach can perform both the roughing and finishing operations at the same time. This is one of the major highlights in the case of broaching machine. Next, a skilled operator is not required in case of broaching. Next, interchangeable components can be produced at faster rate when compared to that of the other type of manufacturing operations. These are all some of the advantages of broaching machines. Simple, it has a longer life. It can perform both the roughing operation and also it can perform both the finishing operation. And a skilled operator is not required in case of broaching, and we can also produce interchangeable components. Major disadvantages in this process, all jobs needs a different types of fixture, and also sharpening of broach is difficult and is also an expensive process, and with the help of broaching, it is difficult to produce the blind holes, and the initial cost of broach and broaching machine is very high. Next, we will discuss about the applications of broaching. With the help of broaching, we can produce the variety of shapes, internal and external, regular and irregular profiles, etc. Some of the examples are bearing caps, bearing bodies, cylinder blocks, connecting rods, gears and turbines, keyways, different types of splines, etc. These are all some of the references. Thank you.